So, do you like my cat? I will be on late to the pet video. Okay. So, did you with my cat? Okay. So, he's sleeping all day, but it's okay, alright? So, I don't know what to do. Just like it, put with my cat. Man, di ko korta. Nagagawin yung mga may party sila. Ako pinagtitin ko ulit. So, he's sleeping right now. I will buy him a milk. So, see you later. Have a good day. And pray to God. I'm sorry right now because my other cat missing. What is in here? Some. So, bye bye guys. See you later. Bye.